Now me a hot near say ya kwache MPP guy bako. MPP Abronye bisa amzi akwache no. All the name say wakwaya bano, say wako postio, say Dumso is back. Why Hirebe say according to MPP4. If that is what the guy actually said and did that. No mumbe tam na. Na. Na no man na de ya so chairman Kwame Bafo Abronye. O masa ababe tam. So I was asking myself, say, I don't want to catch you say me, I'm not against it. So be dinsi una no be cancer mamana traswa. Yeah, betcha no. But the law should work. I said the Rambo star is getting too much. Hey, Bruce, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I said, payback time say, mafia time be. And a yoko for the Ghana Police Service for no any go for people so I don't know. Hey, they said you better mo. Make us a crab maybe na better me crab minim. They said ya I wo two ba oba ma crowd two pnuma na who do keja baby because we don't know. Invitation no do ani akwa him. Na no ya so kodro mo so mama 2 weeks remand. Abba. Adabraka. What is going on? I am not for people foolishly or carelessly making pronouncement and statement. Also, national security a lot. I'm not against Uncle for the say a better movement, but acquiring the way and manner and the process that we are doing this thing. I say deliberate. I say deliberate. I say young can't go for one shadow be a Jimmy Kasabi. That's how I see it. The other person said to Mr. Ababaka and so what and upon choir billboard crazy and where then said Doom Saba. Then Tiabetamnoco and where what is going on? What is going on? Oh, be a quad investigation, 2 weeks remand, a dear qua. Send upon Mogi say, we're making certain statement, now I say, ye dear Semno near Dinituma. It should be the law. And Brano Yane Quines and Yafani two official news. But say intimidation, ye bruna nipa. Send ye, it looks like. I'm saying I'm choosing my words careful. It looks like. So we want to intimidate certain people. Category of people, you have to intimidate them. Hey, I've been there to make us such a other people you encounter because so many abemana. Statement that people are chastising, insulting, and all that. But there's all we can be tea and cheap. I didn't cost on a time. The law should work. We are not against the law working. But if we want it to look, say, deliberately, we are say a mafia phobia, deliberately, you are say you can't go phobia, casabuashe, it's yet you know not intimidation. I know dear sa dear no emfa na da bia me kon podiano dwa dantwe ne to no kra anka forever na konfo. So I am against that because I quite remember that time MPP was now they were doing 1 or 2. I say I catch them say sadia moye time and now so and this is so bad. They are repeating the same thing. And a man we are gonna back a Caribbean to me because mood dear chile power without bias. You bet social media for you. I'm telling you. So sometimes we have to be strategic. How to handle some of these things. We have to be strategic. Because they are causing and yet a time. And I must say it. And run and yet mecca. Why me come round